Your question is, which article in the Indian Constitution is related with the establishment of the Election Commission of India? Your options are A. Article 324, B. Article 148, C. Article 342, D. Article 325, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. Article 324. Your question is, the functions of Election Commission of India are 1. To conduct all the elections of the Parliament and State Legislative Assembly. 2. To conduct elections for the post of President and Vice President. 3. To recommend for President's rule in case of any state in condition to hold or conduct free and fair elections in any state. 4. To supervise, direct and control the work of preparing electoral lists. Code. Your options are A 123, B 124, C 134, or D all of them. Right answer is B 1, 2 and 4. To conduct all the elections of the Parliament and State Legislative Assembly, to conduct elections for the post of President and Vice President, and to supervise, direct and control the work of preparing electoral lists. Your question is, right to vote and to be elected in India is a. Your options are A. Fundamental right, B. Constitutional right, C. Natural right, or D. Legal right. Right answer is D. Legal right. Your question is, while deciding any question relating the disqualification of a member of parliament, the president shall obtain the opinion of. Your options are A. Chief Justice of India, B. Election Commission of India, C. Attorney General of India, or D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Right answer is B. Election Commission of India. Your question is, election to the office of the president is conducted by. Your options are A. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, B. The Prime Minister's office, C. The Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, or D. The Election Commission of India. Right answer is D. The Election Commission of India. Your question is, which of the following is not related to Election Commission? Your options are A. To issue notification of election, B. To distribute election symbols, C. To settle the validity of elections, or D. To conduct elections peacefully. Right answer is A. To issue notification of election. Your question is, the lower age limit of voters of union and state legislature was reduced from 21 years to 18 years by. Your options are A. 57th Amendment 1987, B. 60th Amendment 1988, C. 61st Amendment 1989, or D. 65th Amendment 1990. Right answer is C. 61st Amendment 1989. Your question is, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution has the provision of the Election Commission? Your options are A. Article 320, B. Article 322, C. Article 324, or D. Article 326. Right answer is C. Article 324. Your question is, which of the following are the functions of the Election Commission of India? 1. To conduct elections for the post of a Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha and the Chairperson of Rajya Sabha. 2. To conduct elections for the municipality and municipal corporations. 3. To make a decision on all the doubts and disputes arising from the election. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Your options are A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 3, or D none of the above. Right answer is D, none of the above. Your question is, under Article 103 of the Constitution of India, the President shall obtain the opinion of which of the following authority before giving any decision on any question regarding the disqualification of the members of the Lok Sabha. Your options are A. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, B. Election Commission, C. Supreme Court, or D. Attorney General. Right answer is B. Election Commission.